Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Formula Institute. In this video we are going to talk about UVXY. We want to see if we are going to invest in this stock or not. For those who do not know what UVXY is, it is ProShares AltaVIX short-term futures ETF. In other words, it gives you a view of the implied volatility of the S&P 500 over 30 days in the future. If it was not clear to you what I just said, this might make things clearer. UVXY 6 daily investment result of 1.5 times, that is 1.5 times, the daily performance of the S&P 500 VIX short-term futures index. In other words, if S&P 500 short-term futures index falls 1%, then UVXY will fall 1.5%. On the other hand, if S&P 500 VIX short-term futures rises 1%, UVXY will rise 1.5%. This chart shows the one-year volatility of the S&P 500 VIX short-term futures index. You can see that the volatility has fallen significantly from about 12% 1 year ago in May 2022 up to 5% in April 2023. The volatility index or VIX is a product of Chicago Board Options Exchange. UVXY is a highly volatile financial product. You can see in this chart on 9th of March, the ETF has risen from 4.6 to 6.6, that is almost 20% in its value. But if you look at the bigger picture, you can see that from 26th March to 31st March, the value of UVXY has fallen from $6.2 to $4.4. This hourly chart from 14th of March to 31st of March, almost 2 days of trading days, gives a better idea about the immense volatility this ETF has. We can see at the height during this time, the ETF sold at $7.2, but constantly went down little by little and came down up to $4.5, 31st of March. We can go back a little further and see on this weekly chart that the ETF actually fell from $20 in May 2022 to 4.63 currently in April 2023, that is about 75% decline. However, this chart also does not give you the clear picture of the real nature of UVXY. In the following chart, which is here, we can see from 2021 to April 2023, that is over 2 years and 3 months. And during this time, UVXY fell from over $100 to now $4.64. That is over 95% decline. If we go back a couple of years more to 2019, before the pandemic, we can see that UVXY was above $600, between $600 and $1,000. In fact, it reached $1,000 in July 2020. In this chart, we go back another 2 years to 2017, and you can see that this ETF sold at $10,000. If you had invested $10,000 in early 2017, today your portfolio would come down to $4.64. That is, in 6 years from 2017 to 2023, the stock lost almost all its value. Let us go back another year, that is in 2016, the ETF's value was over $100,000. By 2018, in 2 years, in a constant decline, by 2018, the stock lost a significant amount of value. From $100,000, it came down to about $600. We could go a little bit further to 2015, and if you look at this chart, you can see that in 2015 the ETF was priced at no less than $1 million. That is, the price fell from $1 million to $4.64. We can go another year back and we can see that a little before 2014, the ETF was $10 million. If you had invested $10 million in this ETF, today the value of your portfolio would be only $4.64. But was the value of this ETF $10 million in 2014? In fact, there is something in the stock market that is called reverse splitting, and that is what has happened to UBXOI. For example, if you had 100 shares of UBXOI and each share was priced at $100, your portfolio would have $10,000 in total. Now, if those 100 shares lose value and each share is now priced at $1, then your portfolio will have only $100 in total. Now, because the value of the ETF has gone down so drastically, the company that issues this ETF will do reverse split. That means they will bring 100 of these ETFs together and make one ETF, and they will sell it at $100. So if you had 100 shares before, then now you would have only one ETF and it would be priced at $100. That means you would still have $100, but you would have only one ETF in your account instead of 100 ETFs when you bought them at $100 each. But because of the volatility, now if the price of the ETF again goes down from $100 to $1, then the value of your entire portfolio will be only $1. That is, if you had invested $10,000 in UBXOI, then your investment will come down to mere $1 at this moment. Based on this analysis, my suggestion is stay away from UBXOI. Do not put your money into UBXOI. You will lose your money very soon. You will lose no less than 99% of your investment. If you like this video and want to see more videos like this, do not hesitate to subscribe to Formula Institute channel. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you again soon.